right, check this out. This is a plush animal, but it's a microwavable plush animal. That means it has some beads in the middle, and it's gonna warm up. Now, if you have teens or maybe kids that need some extra loving, maybe a little bit warm, this is perfect. Like if your kid's having a cold, or some kids have other issues, that this is perfect for them. I mean, it's too nice and warm to keep them close to their tummies if they hurt. And it's just a little doll, but it's a beautiful little cow that you guys see. This is one of those, this is a Highlander cow, if you guys can see. It's a beautiful white one. So I like the details on it. And it's a little heavy because it has beans, like beads inside, all right? So it uses them to actually keep it nice and warm, and it lasts for quite a while. It's a little heavy, so kids love stuff like this that's a little heavier. And of course, my cat does too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.